In today's video, I will be talking about the top 5 survey platforms that you should consider if you are that person looking to get in simple monies that you need as soon as possible. These platforms tend to pay you within 24 to 48 hours of the completion of each task that you are required to do. So if you are here and you want to have all the necessary information about these platforms, get your pen and your notepads and join me in a few minutes. Hi everyone, you're welcome to another episode of Let's Talk Money. Call me Mo, I am a business owner and I share content relating to business, finance and general money tips through literature, art and music. So today I will be talking about top 5 survey platforms that are guaranteed to pay you within 24 to 48 hours once you have completed each task. This is particularly for persons who are looking to get in simple monies that they could use for general small groceries, gas and simple food. Before I get right into the video, I'd like to share a quick disclaimer. Please note that the information I will be sharing here today is solely for educational purpose and should neither be treated as business, finance, advertisement, or legal advice. Thank you. You're welcome back. So for context, surveys are often used by researchers to form certain opinions or decisions over certain issues. So if you want to be a part of studies, you have to really be honest in your answers and the things that you want to share. So I have to put that there. So my very first platform is Prolific. Prolific because I think it is the best study or survey platform out there. Prolific is not just a survey platform. It is more or less a platform where researchers, institutions, and I mean major institutions, look out for participants who would be a part of their research and their studies. Prolific happens to be the highest paying platform that I think I know. They pay up to $6 per study. So if you want to try out Prolific, don't hesitate to try it out. The second is Swagbucks. Swagbucks also does pay well, but on Swagbucks you're able to do other things like play games. Apart from take studies, you could also submit purchase receipts that earns you dollars as in form of a cashback. So if you purchased items that you qualify to give you get rewarded could also give you additional monies. So with Swagbucks you could also earn. All you need to do is to ensure that you answer the studies accurately and then your studies are approved and payments are made. You could earn monies and receive your payments through PayPal just as the same as Prolific, and you could also earn within 24 to 40 hours of the completion and approval of your studies. So if you are also looking to starting out studies on another platform, you could decide to join Swagbucks. It is also a fantastic place where you could also earn as high as $5 for each study. So try out Swagbucks. Now the third one I'm going to talk about is Branded Survey. Branded Survey I think is one of the best as well, not as high paying as both Prolific and Swagbucks, but it's also really easy to join. All you need is to sign up, and they do also have a leaderboard. So the more you take studies, the more you rank higher on the leaderboard. With Swagbucks, you could cash out with as little as $5, and you could cash out almost immediately as well. You could cash out through your PayPal account, and it is also easy. You could also earn monies, also receive your monies through gift cards, also however you want it. But Swagbucks is another platform that you should consider if you are that person who enjoys taking studies and you also want to make some monies on the side. Please note that all the monies from these platforms are not life-changing monies. They are just simple monies. Now the fourth one is Inbox Dollars. Just like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars is also an okay platform where you could also earn. When you join, you could get a 5% bonus or $5 bonus, but you could only cash out from the sum of $15. And you could also decide to cash out either by just requesting the card or opting for a gift card. So whichever one you decide to go with, I believe that Inbox Dollars is also an okay platform that you could decide to earn. There are online games that you could play. You could also decide to submit your receipt however you want it. So all of these platforms do not give life-changing monies. So if you are thinking that you will get life-changing monies, please think again, because they are not modeled that way. Now, the fifth platform is user interview. User interview is a sort of software platform that sends you invites for certain kind of researchers. So it could be in a particular location, and the studies are available in those locations. They would send you an invite if you are registered with the platform. And I believe that your pay largely depends on the kind of study that you have been assigned to do. So studies are based off of invitation, and if you are that person who qualifies for the study, you are contacted and given the details of the study. So I hope you did find some value in my video. If you did, please consider giving it a like, a share, or a subscription. Thank you so much for watching.